All right, so my name's Buzz. I'm 34 years old. I am a physiotherapist by trade, but I also am a founder and owner of Proform Physiotherapy. I'd say for me, late 20s would be when I really started to notice it. Yeah. And I used to think maybe it was just the many years in high school of, gelling my hair and doing all the wacky stuff to diet, and I had a rat's tail and everything. So I was like, man, maybe this is my punishment, looking like a rascal. I was doing a lot of things. I owned a gym. I was trying to run my business. I was getting married. Maybe I was married. Hopefully my wife doesn't kill me for that. She'll watch this, say it's all over. I just felt my hair fall out. No. And there was just a lot going on. And I started to feel like I was thinning a little bit, and a few bald patches were showing up. And yeah, I was just kind of like, it should be okay, it should go. But it kind of just continued to get worse the more I was doing. And so I saw a pattern where whenever I'm doing a lot, then I could see my scalp a bit more. And so I would do other things, right? Like I'd wear a hat just to cover it up, or I'd try and get the latest, hair loss shampoo from your local hair store, and nothing was really working there. So it did start when a lot of my businesses started to take off, but I just didn't know what to do about it. So my cousin's a hairdresser, and she used to give me some shampoos and conditioners to try, and they did a little bit, but not really, I could still feel that like my hair was getting thin, especially back here. But recently, before I started working with you, I just started noticing like back here was starting to recede. And that's when I was like, okay, if I don't do something about this now, I won't be able to slow it down. I tried shampoos. I tried like diets as well. Like I tried to just eat good food and, help with other things, but still didn't really help with the hair stuff. Just like oils and all the rest of it. Nothing. I've never really been a fan of going down the medication route. I've heard different things about it, so it wasn't something that I was prepared to do. So finding a solution that wasn't taking medication or injections and all that was something I was very keen on. The key turning point was when I can't even remember who said it to me. It was just a passing comment, and they didn't really mean much of it. But maybe it was last year. I got out the pool, took a shower, went to work, and someone's like, "Oh, you're getting a bit thin back there," And at the time, if it was any other time, I probably would have just let it pass. But at the time, this is when I was noticing it that day. I knew I was going to wear a hat just to cover it up, and then someone said it. It was like the perfect storm of like, okay, people are now noticing besides me. I've got to do something about it. My ego was a bit bruised there, and I was just trying to figure out who's gone through this and where have I seen somebody go down this path. And I saw a video of you and Sonny working together, and he and I have just kind of been working together with our own stuff, and he raved pretty highly about the whole thing. So I just thought maybe I'll give it a go. So saw the video online, found the number to call, booked in, and then the rest is history. I think the biggest thing, especially as I've been married for a few years, I'm now a dad, the reality of like getting old starts to set in, and I'm only 34, and I just don't want to even consider like, wow, I've now hit that stage where I'm now losing my hair, I'm receding, going bald. Sooner or later, my hair's all going to go away. And as a business owner, I get to choose how I spend my time and what I do. And I feel like it's something that I've always wanted to do for myself is take care of myself, both mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. And this is just one of those things, I kind of say to people, well, we go to physios if we're injured. We go to, doctors if we can't really understand what's going on with our health, our bodies. Maybe there's something else internally going on that's causing this that I want to get on top of. So it wasn't so much just the bruised ego. I think that was just a little small part in this bigger picture of like, is there something with my body that's happening that's causing hair loss? I want to get on top of it, but at the same time, I don't know who to speak to that understands hair except for you. Yeah, it's fairly simple, really easy. All I had to do was come through to see yourself. we do a bit of treatment, but also you gave me a lot of understanding about hair and the body and what I was going through. So I got a lot out of just understanding myself a lot more, and making good lifestyle choices and habits that are going to carry over for the rest of my life. So it was 6 weeks of treatment with you. We didn't do any medication or take any pills or anything like that, which is awesome. I had to do my own homework as well, and that was, interesting, but also fairly easy. Took 5 minutes max every night, and so a lot easier than I thought this was going to be. So I do a bit of a derma roll first, and obviously then do the serum. But yeah, now that I don't have to do that all the time, it's fairly simple, quick and easy, and straightforward. Honestly, like 10 seconds. Yeah, 10 seconds every night just to put the serum, massage it in, is all you need in order to get your hair back. I noticed like every single week my hair started to feel thicker, fuller. I started to notice hair growing in spots that they weren't growing, especially like in this area here. And so, yeah, I was pretty happy. People started noticing as well. My wife started seeing my hair was thicker. I wasn't getting any of those comments as I was getting a bit thin up top there. But I had, within that 6 weeks, I also did a talk. It was a podcast type of talk for a big company, and one of my biggest fears was rocking up there and being exposed. But you know what? Had a full set of hair, and I was blown away with the results from start to finish. Within 6 weeks, I had, a lot of that back. Yeah, I would prefer this over any of the other stuff, medication, PRP, going bald, going to Turkey, So I'm all good with all this. It's simple, it's easy, and the results are very fast. Yeah, I certainly feel a lot more confident, right? Not just because my hair is growing back and it feels a little bit thicker, but also just knowing that I'm doing everything I can to stay healthy, and that I'm being the best version of myself for people I serve. So it's definitely boosted my confidence, not from the hair, but the fact that I know what's going on with my body a lot more.